if I told you the California government purposely dropped millions of these flies over California every day? This right here is a Mediterranean fruit fly. It is one of the most invasive species in the world, and it is also considered to be the worst pest in the world because of how quickly they reproduce and the fact that they can eat through entire crops. So how does California have a solution for this? Well, they will quarantine areas of California at different points when they detect that there's a certain amount of these fruit flies that are reproducing in this area. And then they will drop millions upon millions of sterile male fruit flies all over this region by airplane. The key is that they are sterile. They irradiate them, meaning that they can no longer have children. And so when the male fruit flies goes and finds a female fruit flies, which then lays eggs that are not fertilized, those fruit flies will not reproduce and they will quickly die out. And it's kind of a weird way of fixing a problem, is dropping millions upon millions of these fruit flies into a place that only has a handful of fertile fruit flies. However, if they don't do this, it costs billions upon billions of dollars in lost agricultural revenue, as well as tons and tons of food lost. And so this program is actually fairly inexpensive for what it does, and really pretty nuts when you think about it. But then again, we've been dropping insects all over the place for a long time. In fact, we've eradicated a whole bunch of different invasive insects from the United States because of this same thing.